for the vlog. I forgot to take a video before I messed it up. I think we know. Little baby Joe. Alex with messy hair. I'm in the gym. Look at Alex. Look at that height difference. They're like... My favorite road. Guys, look! It's an NA! It's an NA! Oh my god, little cutie. And it's shiny red. I have Panera today. Turkey, avocado, BLT. Chicken Caesar salad. Broccoli, mac and cheese. I see some sin in there, so I ain't saying shit about it. What a teensy tiny Joe. Oh, he's peeing. What about you, Diesel? Okay, I don't know why. Why is my printer doing this? Do you see how it's like... It's not... It's like printing it crooked rather than how it shows. Like, this is how it shows on my iPad. I don't understand. Like, why are you doing that, bro? For real. Okay, these are all 4 designs that I have made. So we have That's Maru, My Melody, Kuromi, and Hello Kitty. And these are all gonna be on my Etsy down below. So these are, the nails are just dead. You can't see very well on the camera, but it's like more of a green. It kind of matches the hoodie. I have pen stains, but like the green crystals and then the smaller ones. I think it's cute and simple for now. I don't know. I like it though. I really like the iridescent. Can you even see it? Maybe if I go like this. It just looks like shimmer. It doesn't really look iridescent, but it is. Another day, another ramen. And my favorite poppy drink. Gosh, I'm gonna be sponsored by them. I say it every time, but I will, I swear. Because those are so good. Like, I mean, even without being sponsored, like, I'm telling y'all to go drink it. It's so much better than pop. It's so much better. Alright, so, excuse me, I'm just sitting here, oh my god, sitting here eating my ramen, right? So I have this order. I showed you guys before in a couple of vlogs ago, where the package was returned to me, and I wasn't able to reprint that same label so that I could send it out again with different packaging or whatever it was that needed to be fixed. And I couldn't reprint that label, so I just had to buy a new one. But they wouldn't, but Etsy didn't have an option to like access that label again to reprint it. Excuse me. And I didn't have it like saved in like my downloads or anything like that. So I had to just buy a new label, and I'm like, okay, well then I guess I'll do the only thing that I can do for the other one, which is just request a refund. So I did that, and they denied the refund, and so now I'm like, I rechecked that order, and so it is going through, like it is shipping to where it needs to be. So now I'm just waiting for, oh, they said something. Now I'm just waiting for, I'm talking with like a customer support person to see if I can get that refunded, because it's like I just paid for the shipping twice because it didn't work and I couldn't download it, you know, like I couldn't access it. So I will update you guys in a second and see how this goes. It worked. They said I have canceled this label and requested the refund from here, and then they said like which label it was. Oh, thank God, because like that was a big order of shipping. Like that was a lot of, so the shipping for that order was like $15 because it wasn't like a big package or anything, but it was going to Spain, so that's why it was expensive. And so I had to buy it again, so like technically I spent $30 for shipping. The buyer paid like $16 originally, like 16 or 17, and then like I buy it a little bit cheaper through Etsy instead of going to actual like USPS or whatever. And so it worked. Like thank God. So I'm gonna at least get my money back, and it'll just be the money that the customer paid for. That's the shipping that they paid for themselves. So then I get my money back and I'm good now. Thank God. Because like $15 is a lot to me. Like bro, I'm eating ramen. $15 is a lot to me. They are starting to wilt a little bit and get a little bit brown. So I'm gonna take all these little bits off. Take all these little bits off and trim the ends and give it some fresh sugar water so that they can live longer. You just get this package. It has Russian in the address. It might be AliExpress. It is! It's chrome powder. Ooh, that's exciting. Every time he got to put soy sauce. Not me though, I'm normal. Today we've got crumbs of cereal, and I made matcha. I'm excited. I haven't had matcha in a minute. Okay, look y'all, I'm making peeker stickers. So I'm doing some Animal Crossing characters. I did all of these Sanrio characters because, you know, why not, right? Oh, there we go. Now you can see better. Yeah, I did Little Twin Stars, Charmy Kitty, I don't know how to say his name, Pochaco maybe? Oh, I didn't mean to click it like that. Choco Cat, Tuxedo Sam, Cinema Roll, Dear Daniel, Karopi, Batsumaru, Pom Pom Purin, Karomi, My Melody, Gudetama, Mimi, and Hello Kitty. That is everyone that I've done. And now I'm working on Stitches, and I have 2 more Animal Crossing characters I want to do before any other ones. I don't know. I just picked 3 for now. That's it. Ayo, I'm editing this vlog right now. I forgot to mention that I got a Cricut Joy. I went and picked one up on Facebook Marketplace, and the next clip is me using it. Just for some context, because I've never shown this machine before, so y'all is probably like, what the hell? Trust. I just forgot to mention that I bought it last week. Sorry. Oh my god, it's cutting. Sorry, I'm watching a podcast and I forgot to pause it. The remote's far away, but oh my god, it's doing it! So I'm trying to get it to be my Carbon Studios logo, but like it's kind of being slow. Like I don't understand. What is it doing? I just want Carbon Studios. Please. Look, I got it to work. Can you even see it? Can you? Maybe. Like barely, I think. Sometimes when it moves, I don't know, maybe. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, look at that. It comes out the back. I didn't even know that. Oh, you can see it, kind of. Can you? Oh! Oh, yo, wait. Let's check this out. Let's check this out. Are you gonna let me? Oh, are you not done? Hello? What's it doing? I had to click the button on the iPad. But do you see that? That's so strange. I don't know. Let's see. Hey, what the fuck? It's clear. I thought this like, I thought it was white, but it's clear. It also is like not separating. Like, what? Look, this time I put computer paper on the sticky mat. Oh, that's so cool. This thing is so cool, but like, how come it's not printing? Or it's not cutting that deep? So I'm testing it on the paper to see if it works with the paper. Because that's what their thingy said to do. Again, it didn't cut. It didn't cut all the way through to like come out. Like what? What's going on? I want to watch. Does that actually go down at all? Let's see. Hold on.
This is the exact stuff we used to do in like ICT class in school. Of like, hey, pretend like you're designing this database.
Let's see.
Back in the day around the thing.
Huh. Huh. So here's what I designed. Damn. You can see all my fingerprints. I put 3 of them. So it should cut 3 of them. Yeah. We'll see. Guys, Alex and I just made the very first Carbon Studio sticker, and I put it on the actual little Cricut machine. I accidentally missed 2 of the stars, but it's okay. It still looks aesthetic. That's just so gas. Look, I can zoom in. Wow, that's so real. This is how I got Diesel locked up in the mornings. We cuddling. He don't mind. He's probably just like, oh my gosh, let me out. But he's such a big dog and so soft to like cuddle with. Look at him. Bro, look at this. Can you even see? Now Cho's here, laying on top of me and Diesel. Come on, that's so funny. He's like, I know someone's there. Cho's on us. Oh my god. Okay, I connected it to my computer. And it's gonna go again. We adjusted the settings for it to cut deeper. And this time I'm having it cut over twice so that it cuts better, because when we did the ones from yesterday, it cut pretty good, but there are some spots where like it definitely needs to be cut twice. So I've adjusted those settings, and let's hope that these ones turn out as I think they should. we are packing a sticker order, and this one is exciting because it's one of my best friends. So she ordered a Kuromi sticker and Hello Kitty. She ordered both of those, and she ordered a pack of the 10 mixed stickers. Oh, this is so exciting. So these two we're gonna pack in one of these. So we're gonna get that. And then let's see, do they fit that way? No, they don't. But we'll just take the two of those, stick those in there. And then the freebie, if it fits too, yeah, okay, cool. And then I'll take that and seal it. And then put all this together in an envelope. And then I gotta print out her address, which I need my phone for. So that's how I pack sticker orders. There is no shipping. They don't pay for shipping because they're just envelopes, so it's just this, and I include, you know, the price of a stamp within the price of a sticker, so I can do free shipping. And then if people want to upgrade their shipping for these, they can upgrade their shipping. So yeah. Oh, I wanted to add that I'm also going to send her one of these vinyl stickers that I made for my Cricut machine. It's permanent, so I don't know where she's going to put it, but I'm sure she'll find like a cute spot. But yeah, I'm going to send her one of these if it fits. Yeah, it should fit in there. So, yes. Oh my fucking god, bro. I don't know what's up with this printer shit. I'm trying to connect this printer to the fucking computer so that it can print from the Cricut thing to the thing. Because I'm following a YouTube video and it, oh my god, it just doesn't. Oh! Like, I'm being so fucking for real. It's like, I just want to. Why? Alright, we got more AliExpress packages to open up here.
He wants to be included.
Hey, well, you're here, Diesel. Let's see what this is. Oh, look, it's the gel. It's the thicker gel. That's for, what is it called? For, like, building, like, so that the charms can stick.
Mm-hmm.
And then, what is this one? Oh, I got this, too, to make, like, I saw it. It's cool.
Cool.
He's putting the shy guy in the thing. Oh. Do you need a credit card?
No.
Loud ass bird. Yay!
Now I need a credit card.
Oh, it's so cute though. No, I got it. I'm getting it. There's a rainbow. Ah! Look, you can see it better here. It's just like a little tiny sliver of rainbow. That's so cool. Look how cute he is. Little guy. New find at Walmart. Chocolate and a little surprise. Alex wants Beth's Maru, and I want all of them. So we're gonna try it. I lost Choco Cat at Walmart. Choco Cat. We found him. All because of my Apple tag. Thank God. Okay, now we can do it. How do I do it? Like, in here. This is the ones from Walmart that I found today. They're like little chocolate eggs. Oh, it's not even inside the egg. That's stupid. In Mexico, they're inside. But this is the ones where it's this. Okay, wait, who'd you... Ah! Get over here! Get over here. More up. He got Hello Kitty! What if I got Bats Maru? Oh, she's so cute. I didn't get Bats Maru, but I got Karopi! It's close enough. Look, you can see. Oh, they're so cute. It's close enough. It's close enough. Alright, and for today, we got quite a bit of work to do. I got a bunch of Hot Wheels to take pictures of and list. Then I gotta make some TikToks, pack orders, make stickers, because I'm making a banner for Alex's car. I'm excited for that, so let's get into it. Okay, I just wanted to come on here and say real quick that, like, I'm so proud of myself. You know what I mean? Like, why did I even say that? You know what I mean? Well, because, like, for real, though, like, my YouTube channel I'm at 43 subscribers, and it's, like, some of them are my friends and family, like, people that I know personally, so, like, of course they're gonna follow me, but then there's ones that are just, like, just people that are interested in my life, in my content, and, like, what I post, like, and I'm so, like, I'm really hoping that, like, I'm sharing stuff that, like, other people are interested. I mean, it's stuff that I'm interested in, so I don't care. I just like to share what I want to share. Like, to be honest, I could care less. I mean, not I could care less, but, like, if no one ever followed me for the rest of my life, like, if my channel doesn't grow, like, I'm literally gonna keep posting vlogs, though, because I love it. Like, I genuinely love making these videos because they're so fun. And it's like, they're like memories to me too. Like, personally, it's like, because I look back, like, I started, like, consistently vlogging like 6 months ago. And since then to now, it's like, I can look back and be like, damn, that's what I was doing. And, like, I documented, like, my life. Literally my life of like, you know, like, life, you know what I mean? Like, I broke my ankle, like, right after I started, like, to really vlog again, and, like, I kept doing it. Like, even while I had a broken ankle, I wasn't like, man, I can't do it. I kept going. Like, maybe my vlogs weren't as long or had as much content in them during that time, but I still did it anyway. I fucking sat there with my broken ankle in my bed, vlogging, like, working on my little Etsy stuff. I kept myself busy, and I'm just like, I don't know, I'm so proud of that. And, like, my business too is, like, you know, we go out and, like, we go Hot Wheels hunting and Hello Kitty hunting too. I mean, I don't sell Hello Kitty. I mean, like, stickers and stuff of Hello Kitty, but Hello Kitty is from me. That's my personal stuff. But, like, I do all that, and, like, it's just, I don't know, I'm just so happy. I'm so proud of myself. And, like, I'm at, like, 240 sales, almost at 240 sales right now on my Etsy, and it's, like, now I have my own website, which, by the way, if you want a free poster, you can go to my website in the link down below for a free GT3 RS poster. So, yeah, y'all should go check that out. But, like, yeah, I don't know. I'm really, like, I'm proud of myself right now, because I'm just, like, sitting here, like, working on orders, and updating my shop and this and that, and I posted some new Hot Wheels, so you guys can check those out. We got black GT3 RS, red Supras, a bunch of Honda Civic Customs, and some other little things here and there. But I don't know, I'm so proud of it all, because like the little, like, I mean, okay, listen, so I grew up watching YouTube. That was like, I'm part of that generation that's like where YouTube became popular. Like when YouTube came out, like I started watching like gaming stuff, and that's why I like streaming my games that I play. And like I watched Minecraft videos and this and that, so like I did all that fun stuff. I mean, that's what I grew up with. And now that it's like, when I started to be able to post on YouTube myself, like 6 years ago is my oldest video. 6 years ago. Like, how old was I even? That was like, that video I posted was in 8th grade. Now I'm 21. I don't know what age 8th grade is, like 14, 15, 13 maybe? I don't know, 8th grade. But like that girl that I was, like, I know she'd be so excited. I mean, 43 subscribers to me as a 21-year-old, that makes me excited. I'm like, oh my god, like 43 people are interested in me, like in what I'm doing. I don't mean interested in me like romantically, like, no, Alex is my mans. That's not what I mean. I mean like it feels like friends to me. Like, it's just like a bunch of people in like my shop, they're like interested in shopping. Like you watching, like you care about this. That's why you're watching this. That's amazing. That is amazing. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me, and thank you for supporting Carbon Studios, because I'm really proud of what I've done. Thank you. Thank you guys. I just made some TikToks of packing these orders, and I am gonna post. Did I post one today already? I don't know. If I didn't post one already, then I'm gonna post one, and you guys will see them later, and it'll also be YouTube Shorts. Hi, Joe's so cute. Diesel's so cute. But these are the 3 orders I just packed. One is going to Utah, one is going to Switzerland, and one's going to Australia. So, like, I don't know. That's just insane. Like, Carbon Studios is going around the world, bro. Seriously. Check it out, bro. I made my own Carbon Studio decal for the car. So, that's our logo. This is the logo without the snake. I still need to learn how to make the logo with the snake. That one's gonna take a little bit more. That one's gonna take a little bit more time, okay? But, and then I put the website there. But, oh my god, look how cute. I made 2 of them. Because one of them I'm putting in the Mazda. And I think I'm gonna put one on the Corolla just cause I can, you know, advertise it as much as I can. But yeah, that's that. And then you guys are gonna see the short video of that on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Probably tomorrow, because we still didn't put it on the car yet. So I gotta record those parts, but that we are gonna do tomorrow. So I'm excited. They're so cute. Alright, I'm making a giant banner, 20 inches. Alright, let's see how this turns out. That's the whole thing there. Ah! Here it goes! Ah! Giant banner for the windshield. Let's see. Well, I went to get rice and avocado, It finished printing. This is the giant banner. Oh my god. Alright, here, y'all can see it better with the background taken off. Oh, that is so cool. This is 20 inches, so it's not like a whole entire banner width, but it is pretty big, to be honest. We'll see how it looks on the car tomorrow.
Oh, come on. Up. 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 Come on, get up. You're doing it.
I know he was, but now he doesn't want to.
Come here. Up.
He's like, I didn't like it already. Quesadillas. Quesadillas and our last K Rolo cookies. Okay, this is me starting Alex's car. You put the clutch in with your foot all the way down, and then you put the key in, and you go like that. I did it, and then you put the clutch on. Alright. Let's drive this bitch. Just kidding, I don't know how to drive. I'm going to see cats today. Yo, so everybody loves cats too. It ain't just me. Everybody. So Alex parked here so that he could take pictures of his car. And I gotta walk somewhere over there.
She likes it.
This is a pretty cat. Oops. I like his pattern. Look at him. He's like a bronc. Look, that's a Maine Coon. That's the cat Alex likes. Big cat. He's orange. And then over here, he's orange. And look at him. Oh, he's beautiful. Look at him. He looks so sad.
133 through 136, 133 through 136.
Bug's life. Oh, you couldn't see it. That's a big ass cat. Oh wait, you can see it up here better. Kind of. No, not really. Her face, but I know who it is. Look at him. You want to see a Pinterest cat?
Yeah, I would agree.
There's a Pinterest cat. Oh my gosh. No, for real. Damn. Yeah. This is Oliver and Charlie. So while Alex is on the phone with his mom, I'm gonna give you guys a haul of the earrings that I got. So let me show y'all. Okay, first of all, this is the card that I got. This is the card that came with this is from the store. Oh no, my cards are falling. This is from the store that sells them. So if you guys like them, you guys can check them out too. But let me show you how cute they are. So these ones are little Hello Kitty Halloween, like double cupcake ones with little bats. I love bats. I freaking love bats. You know that girl from Vine? And then we got cinnamon roll with cherries. Those are so cute, like come on. And then the very last ones are these donut Hello Kitties. Oh my god, come on. Look, donut Hello Kitties. It has a dot there, but I don't mind it. These ones are so cute. Little donut Hello Kitties. And that's everything. That's all the earrings that I got. Alex got for me. And then throughout the show, there was a bunch of like different business cards so that in the future when we can buy a cat, we can get one. Because we want Maine Coon. He's a big cat. Like, that guy was so beautiful. They're so beautiful. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I just want one. But yeah, that was the cat show. Paletas! We at the car wash. He's putting some stuff in there. Check this out. We up in here. We under the bed. Because we fixing it out there.
What are you doing hiding back there?
And we're down here.
What are you doing hiding back there?
Oh. We got found. Look at this. Fire. I can't wait to eat those crispy cheese bits. We have chicken, rice and corn, avocado. He always has to do this. Always. Every time.